if God wants to pick all of your destiny. You can be successful on your own, but you need to become a man. Everything your family will be taken from you. Second, your marriage will be taken from you, except if God smiles at your destiny. Number 3, your friends will be taken away from you. Your peace will be taken from you.
Ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Lizzy Anjorin kò padà lẹ́yìn ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí à ń pe orúkọ rẹ̀ ní Priscilla. Kò fi ìgbà kankan sọ́pọ́ọ̀tù wedding tí Priscilla tí ó ṣe o. Ó sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ nínú fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ gidi gan, ó tún fi advice kalẹ̀ lórí àwọn bí wọ́n ṣe lè ṣe ìgbéyàwó tí ó máa tọ́, tí ó máa yẹ. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, a máa fún yín láǹfààní láti wo fídíò náà ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ torí wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ òun lẹ máa kọ́ nínú fídíò yìí, àti wípé mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó fi ẹnu ara rẹ̀ sọ níbí nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti ọmọ rẹ̀ Priscilla lórí ìgbéyàwó tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe tán lórí live ní àná. A ó máa fún yín láǹfààní láti wo fídíò náà báyìí. Ó ti yá.
Sleep will be taken from you. As a very hardworking woman, we don't sleep. We think 24/7 to survive. And we face a lot of challenges in the society. Imagine if I come from a very rich home. You guys wouldn't have known Lizzy, talk less of bullying Lizzy. The only offense I committed is I came from a very poor background. That was the only offense I committed. That was the only offense I committed. Second degree offense I committed. Marry into a family where they don't believe in my own foundation. I have to pull out again and start from all over. And I have this determination that I have to be successful. Ask me over and over to survive poverty. Sweetheart. I understand where he was coming from. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé mi ti gbé lóòdù tèmi. Ẹ gbọ́ mi, èmi ti gbé lóòdù tèmi. Ó ti níye income tèmi. Ó dẹ̀ ti níye tí mò ń ná every day. Mi ò wá lè fẹ́ ọkọ. Even kí ọkọ mi jẹ́ Dangote, I cannot expect my husband to carry my load because my load is on high side already before my marriage. You don't understand? Rich man Golden. Ẹrù tèmi. Ìwúwo tẹ́lẹ̀ kí n tó ṣègbéyàwó. Ṣé bàbá oníbàbá tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀gbọ́n òwú lásán lẹ́rù ẹ̀, ṣé òun ni mo fẹ́ gbé tó yẹ kó máa sọ fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́? But it's all about comparison. Do what? To enjoy. Chioma destiny is different from Lizzy Anjorin's destiny. Chioma is enjoying her own life. Lizzy Anjorin is enjoying her own life. Stop comparing from where to where. Chioma, can I start? Chioma's in-law, they accepted her among the thousands of the women. Apart from accepting her, everything owned by Davido automatically becomes Chioma. Either she graduated or not, she has